afternoon and welcome to Get Comfy. My name's Ramel. Today we are at Seven Gods in London, Seven Gods Lighting. I'm here to meet Ronald P. Gomes of Seven Gods Lighting, who is the designer and manufacturer. Thank you very much for giving us your time today.
No problem.
Can you give us a bit of a... Oh, first of all, let's do a little housekeeping. First things first, we will, because this is live, there may obviously be a bit of a streaming issue. It's not an exact science, okay? So bear with us. We will be posting this raw footage later on this evening or tomorrow morning, so look out for that. But firstly, Ronald, tell us a bit about yourself and a little bit about Seven Gods.
Well, our background is in interior and architecture, and we faced one or two hurdles regarding sometimes we had a lower ceiling and we couldn't get the right lighting fitting. So one of the jobs, one of the earlier jobs, we basically designed the lights ourselves. And the next client that we did interiors for, they also wanted customized lighting. And it sort of became a signature for us, and we took it on from there until 4 years ago. 4 years ago, when we decided to actually do this properly and full time.
Why the name Seven Gods? Where did the name Seven Gods come from? I love it. I got to say, do love the name.
Seven Gods, it goes back to architecture.
Okay.
Before the decimal point, number 7 was used as a proportional point. So if you read about Fibonacci sequences or anything, 7.
The Fibonacci code. Yeah.
6.618.
Yeah.
That's after the decimal point.
Yeah.
But 7 prior to that was used in architecture as the proportional point. So it was known as a divine number.
Okay.
And in the East, 7 gods, you got god of happiness, god of wealth, god of all sorts. And that had a connotation. And the 7 is a prime number. It's a wonderful number. It's a very important number in Western civilization.
I'm big into numbers. I love 7 myself.
But it's a very important prime number. A lot of my work contains prime numbers.
Where's your family from? Where's your history?
My family's from Bengal.
Okay.
Eastern part of Indian subcontinent.
Right.
And, I grew up here.
Right. Okay. Did you go to a school of arts here in London, or?
I went to London College of Printing. Now it's called London College of Communication.
Okay.
And now I went to Chelsea.
Okay.
Chelsea College of Art.
Brilliant. Right, so what we're going to try and do is we're going to take a little tour of some of the products, okay? And obviously over the next few weeks we're going to be doing projects and products, but today we're going to specifically talk about products. And Ronald has got something quite, in my eyes, bordering on genius, okay? But the first product we want to show you is this one over here, okay? Is this one you want to talk about first?
Yeah,
is this all right?
This
is the pièce de résistance, all right? It's called the Georgina?
Georgina.
Okay.
It's an offshoot from our most popular one, which is George. And I've always been interested in natural form and nature itself, because I believe nature is one of the best designers, or is the greatest designer, and I'm just taking elements from it. And what I've been trying to do was to create a artificial branch for quite some time to put the light into a context that it would be in nature. However, all the artificial branches that I have created didn't look natural.
Right, yeah.
And so we devised a way of actually getting the branch encapsulated in carbon fiber. And running wires through it. And
so the wires are actually running through the branch, or are they running alongside it?
What we do, we first select our branch.
Yeah.
We air dry it for a long time.
Okay.
So all the moisture is out. Then we encase it in glass fiber.
Okay.
That's insulating. Plus, it gives us a more solid structure to work with.
It's like a resin type thing, isn't it?
Well, the first, it is resin.
Right, yeah.
But first layer is glass fiber.
Right, okay.
Then once the glass fiber is wrapped and everything is secured in place, we carve out the inside
Okay.
of the branch. So
Wow.
it takes a lot of effort. So we carve out the inside, create a channel,
Yeah.
we run the cable, then we encase the whole thing in carbon fiber.
Okay.
Then it becomes incredibly hard, hard as steel. And then we add the fittings and the.
I mean, I love it. I think it's, you know, it's absolute genius where you've come from.
It is real branch, so every single piece is absolutely different. We're just in the middle of working on this one.
Mm.
We selected the branch and we wrapped it in glass fiber. So it's been wrapped in glass fiber. So we're gonna, after this dries, we're gonna take it out, we're gonna examine it, and we're gonna see where we need to place the flowers.
Okay.
Because every single branch would need different number of flowers.
Of course it
because
will, yeah.
They need to balance, and there's a lot more selection.
Yeah.
You know, for every one we make, we eliminate 2 or 3 others.
Of course
so
you
every
do.
time we make one, we put 2 or 3 in production.
Yeah.
So one of them will come out.
One of them will make it to the to the end. Can I ask, if I may? I mean, it may be a little uncouth for me, but do you talk price? How much would my wife have to spend, okay, to purchase something like that? Or is it all bespoke and it's different sizes and different?
Well, we had some.
Give me a ballpark.
It starts off, I think, in the region of £800.
Right. Okay.
For
I'll
a
have 2.
table lamp. It goes up to as much as you want.
Yeah, it
because
depends on the
yeah.
size of the room.
Yeah.
So it's if the client said, right, okay, I've got a 10 seating table.
Mm-hmm.
You could produce something that will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, what
Floor lamps,
with
table
this,
lamps.
With this product, because we work in the bespoke industry, we always we're in contact with designers, interior designers. They would come and ask us, okay, we got this space. Usually they send us drawings or images of what the project is going to end up. So I can sense the space from those drawings and illustrations, and I can mock up on Photoshop something that will give you certain shapes.
Yeah.
You know, just because you got a large space doesn't mean that we got to produce a large product.
No, you're right.
It can be very minimal, but very, delicately placed.
Yeah.
So it doesn't mean that just because you got large space,
You have to put a massive old thing to put
Can
it in
be a
there.
very small
It could be something subtle and delicate and just looks perfect in the
That's
position.
right,
Right. Okay. What would you like to move on to now? This piece here is obviously one of your classics.
This is one of our most popular piece, and this is one of our earliest piece. It's called George, and
So you've got George and Georgina.
Georgina is the daughter. I think.
Okay, here's another question for you. Why has all of your products got like a person's name?
Because those people are related to that product, so most of our products have been designed for certain clients.
Okay.
So this was designed for George.
Cool.
And,
Ask a stupid question.
No, we got like that one is Ignacio. That one is named after Ignacio Rivario.
Okay.
He's a fashion designer.
All right. Yeah.
Who was one of our earliest clients, still is a very good friend of ours, and we designed one for his wife as well. I think they're both in the fashion industry, and that one was called Suzanne. So Inaccio's, done very well, and
What's this one called?
this one hasn't got a name yet because this one is
You know what you're going to call it?
no.
It's going to be called Rommel. Of course, it's going to be called Rommel.
Of course. But we are still working on this one. This one is going to be made from porcelain, and we're working with LED companies to find the right kind of LEDs for this. But this is something new for us. But this is a prototype. It's not.
It's nice. I like it. Can you talk to us a bit more about some of the other bits that we've got in here? Let's see if we can turn that around a bit more. I mean, you've just got some lovely stuff in here. Is this out of the same kind of collection? I'm assuming.
This one is same. It is Flat George, basically.
It's called Flat George.
Well,
of course, it's called Flat George.
It's George wall light. So we designed it for. Actually, it's actually designed for the wall.
Aha, gotcha.
However, we have used this on low ceilings. We done some basements where the ceiling is, just above 2 meters.
Yeah.
And we couldn't put any feature light in there because, it's going to bring down the ceiling.
Exactly.
So we designed. We put this up there.
It's outstanding.
This one is called Ivan, the spiky one. And
It's genuinely called Ivan the Spiky One, or is it just
Ivan?
called Ivan?
Ivan the terrible.
Exactly,
Like
Ivan the
Impaler,
Spiky
isn't
One.
it? Well, you can be impaled on this. This is it's a friend of mine. He's an architect, and we named it after him.
Brilliant, I love it.
He was here while we were designing this, and he
Yeah.
took part in helping us design this.
Do you get many of your products in the hospitality world? We're talking
Primarily
restaurants, hotels, bars, clubs, or is it all just super rich residential?
Primarily it's residential.
Right,
then,
okay.
Restaurants.
Do you find it difficult bridging the gap between retail and contract?
Well, we don't do much retail.
Hey, fair enough. Set your stall out. Nobody
No,
good at.
We're still a small company, so we don't overstretch ourselves.
No, of course.
And primarily, we've been developing products very unique and